मेजर नुपुर गुप्ता, जो कि जिनसे हम लोगों का जो कॉमन क्वेश्चन है वो ये है कि मैम कोविड-19 हैज मेड पेरेंट्स हेजिटेंट टू सेंड देयर चिल्ड्रन फार फ्रॉम अ होम फॉर फर्दर स्टडी. How is this
How
being
is
the
this
mindset
being
of
the
a
mindset
parent
of a parent
going to impact
going
their
to
children's
impact their
future?
children's future?
असल में जो बच्चे
असल
अभी
में जो
12th के
बच्चे अभी
एग्जाम
12th
दिए
के
हैं,
एग्जाम दिए हैं,
वो बच्चे
वो बच्चे
अब बाहर पढ़ने
अब बाहर
जाएंगे या
पढ़ने
नहीं जाएंगे, या वो बच्चे इस तरीके के करियर सेलेक्ट करेंगे कि इफ द स्टूडेंट इज इन दिल्ली एंड उसको कोई कोर्स बेंगलोर में क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी में करना है, तो क्या वो इतने कंफर्टेबली पेरेंट्स उसको वहां पर भेजने में रहेंगे, या घर में बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन चलेगा कि मुझे नहीं भेजना है? तो ऐसे में पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स को किस तरीके से ट्यून करना है? दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन टू यू. ओवर टू मेजर गुप्ता. मेजर गुप्ता, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
हाँ जी. गुड मॉर्निंग डॉक्टर रोहित. Am I audible to you now?
Yes ma'am, perfectly
Yes ma'am, perfectly fine.
First of all, thank you. I was listening to Dr. Devdutt and I was also listening to Dr. Kaushik. बहुत ही रेलेवेंट सवाल के साथ ये इशू आता है. पहले मैं बात करूंगी कि एक पेरेंट का नजरिया और एक बच्चे का नजरिया बहुत फर्क होता है. आज की तारीख में हर बच्चा, एक एवरेज बात कर रही हूं मैं, हर बच्चा अपने घर से बाहर जाना चाहता है, स्पेशली जब वो अपनी हायर एजुकेशन की बात करता है. हाउएवर आज की तारीख में अगर हम स्पेसिफिक सिचुएशन ले तो कोविड-19 की वजह से जो बाहर का सिनेरियो है, चाहे हम अब्रॉड की बात कर रहे हैं या वो बाहर आपके शहर से बाहर की बात कर रहे हैं, वो अचानक से बदल गया है. तो बच्चा घर से आजादी चाहता है, बच्चा एक अच्छा कॉलेज चाहता है, बच्चा एक अच्छा एक्सपोजर चाहता है. Whereas when we talk of parents, they have a different outlook towards all these things, because a parent is looking at the security of the child, they are concerned about the welfare of the child, the long-term result of the institution where the child is going on. So my suggestion first is, before I give the solutions to it, there are some myths which have been broken. The first myth is, most of the people considered that only abroad a child can get the best education. That is not the case today. India has got a combination of conventional and non-conventional institutes today. So we are talking about a standard university. Let's say we talk of UPTU, or we talk of Dehradun University, or we talk of Delhi University, or such universities. On other side, number of private institutions have come up which can provide the similar kind of a education which is available in abroad. Now, this is about the institutions. Second point was, how is the safety and the concern? This COVID-19 is a black swan situation. It is 1 in 100 years that we have faced this kind of a pandemic, which has changed the situation. However, what is your purpose of education, that we need to understand, coming especially from the environment where a lot of people are business class families. So if you are looking at a degree which is only for the name of the degree, then possibly you can look at any institution which will give you a degree recognized by UGC. However, given scenario has changed the market for the admission for courses, because there are a lot of number of people who have come back from abroad. There are a lot of number of people who are withdrawn from the job, which would be available in the market to pursue the higher education. So the admission market is going to be tough. It is going to be competitive. For a child to understand that if he has to go in for a competitive environment, what is important? Are you getting the right exposure? Are you getting the right experience with them? Are you getting the right education? The new creative, innovative type of techniques which are used in the today's education system. Will it equip you for the environment which you are looking for? So tomorrow, if you're looking for a job in the market, you have to equip yourself. Yes, parents have to come out of that mold that they should be sure about where they are sending the child. Some of the suggestions for the parents are that please check out how the institution has reacted to a situation like this. That will instill the confidence in the institution. Check whether the institution has got good connectivity, whether the institution has got a parent and a teacher association. There is something called III, Institute Industry Interface. So it is not about only the industry, but does it have a parent interface also? Does it connect with the parent in time of crisis? Does it connect with the parent at the time of situations where a child is not performing well, which is typically not there in the conventional universities? So once you have that confidence that I have a connect with the parent, I have a connect with the organization, I have surety that my child will be looked after, and in case of any contingency, they will connect with me. That will instill that confidence.
Right.
So you should look at the ranking, you should look at the connectivity, you should look at the confidence which an institute or a university builds up with the parent. If you are looking at a dynamic education which equips your child to move into the industry tomorrow, because the industry and the job environment is going to be competitive, you should look at sending your child to the ranked institutes instead of sending them to any XYZ institutes. That is my suggestion to the.
Thank you, Major Gupta, and I am sure कि अब बच्चों को ये लग रहा होगा कि अगर उनको अभी भी बाहर जाना है पढ़ने के लिए तो वो अपने पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस कर सकते हैं। एडवोकेटिंग की भाई इंस्टीट्यूट अच्छा है, उस तरीके के पेरेंट्स के साथ एसोसिएशन कर रखा है, कम्युनिकेशन कैसा है, तो यू हैव गॉट मेनी पॉइंट, और आप लोग पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस करने के लिए अपने अपने ड्रीम कम्युनिकेशन के लिए ट्राई कर सकते हैं। ये टेम्परेरी फेस है, इसके वजह से करियर के अंदर एक बड़ा डिसीजन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आपने अपने 11th-12th में इतना मेहनत किया है कि आप IITs निकालें, NITs निकालें, निफ्ट में जाएं या वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड यूनिवर्सिटीज में आप एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं, तो ठीक है, वेट एंड वॉच एंड ट्राई टू कन्विंस योर पेरेंट्स, और आप उसके लिए निरंतर प्रयास करते रहिए। दिस इज वेरी गुड मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच।